the engine compartment that I'm going to be cleaning. Battery tray area. Some corrosion from the battery. I have to paint that. I'll probably end up just painting it with some Hammerite or something like that. I'm not going to do a full engine detail in any way, but I do want to get things kind of cleaned up and halfway nice looking. It's just dirty. I mean, that's it. Son of a bitch wiring harness. Just pretty much a typical dirty engine bay cover for something. So I got this stuff. Well, I didn't bring it out. I'll show it later. It's called Purple Power. I've used it before. Bought it in concentrate. If you get yourself one of these spray bottles, just a generic spray bottle for like $3 maybe. It's pretty handy measurements on the side. 1:1, fill it to water up to the 1:1 sign, and then the rest with the fluid, and you get pretty much, like it says, 1:1. Saves a lot of money. So, I got some work to do, but honestly, for being totally caked with grease down there, again, I'm not using any brushes or anything. I don't have a hose, I don't have a pressure washer, just that purple stuff, 1:1, Purple Power. I should give credit where credit's due. Purple Power stuff, 1:1, and some spray bottles out of water. This is not going to be a show car. I just want to clean things up, but so far, so good. That's what that looks like. It's better. I mean, honestly, not going to be a show car. So, pretty amazing what that stuff can do. Got some spots left, but I think I'm going to call it good for right now. Tough to get that thing on the gate, huh? Yeah. It looks in good shape. I was looking at another one that had a broken power steering reservoir and pulley. Not as cheap as you'd think. ECU looks like it's in good shape. This is the intake. Looks like this is the WSX intake that goes with this car engine. And she's out. Transmission may be shipped without a filter. Must replace the filter. Sounds reasonable. Disable engine and fuel. Crank it over, get some oil pressure. Alright, word of the wise. I mean, I'm sure they do some pressure washing and stuff, but I'm not gonna lie, the thing seems pretty clean to me. Looks like somebody may have put a filter in there. Looks like it.